So if you have a full-time job, we all know that money replenishes. You get money every single month because you get paid from your job. We all understand that, right? But this is the key. Time itself doesn't replenish. It simply disappears. Look, you could go out there, spend tons of hours, months, and years trying to figure out, build your Amazon FBA business, go the trials and error. But you can do is save you time and effort. I've learned everything that I've gone through running my own Amazon FBA business, where I built systems and frameworks where you can spend money to kind of pretty much shortcut your way out there. I'm going to show you how I would do it if I was going to start over my Amazon FBA business, having a full-time income, and basically shortcut my way through this roadmap and using my money that I'm getting from my full-time job. It'll cost you money to get started, but you are going to get that money back. Whereas, if you were going to spend the time, effort, the stress you have to go through, miss time with the family, miss vacation, not having flexible schedule, is going to be gone and disappearing. So as you can see on the whiteboard here, this is pretty much an Amazon FBA business and overview, right? So I got your business here, and there's three main components. So you have your product research, buying the product, and selling the product. And the most important thing here is understanding that all three of them are equal. However, one of them takes up a lot of your time, unfortunately, but it is important as well. So that's why we kind of have to treat them equally. And the reason why you want to start an Amazon FBA business is going to give you a couple things, all right? So the first thing it's going to give you is going to have the freedom. The freedom to do whatever with your time and financial freedom. That was the motivation for me, because I was working my 9-to-5 job, selling Range Rovers down in Miami, and I was working every single weekend, and I just didn't have the flexibility as I wanted. I'd love to have control of my time and being able to work on something that is my own, not someone else's, trying to make them rich, right? And the second advantage of Amazon FBA is that you can make money being anywhere. You could be, traveling, you could be going to the gym, you could be sleeping, because Amazon FBA itself doesn't close down, So once you send your products to Amazon, and they pretty much handle everything, the sales, the logistics, and all that stuff. So the second thing, advantage here, is being able to sell 24/7 to make you money. All right. So that is the second advantage why you'd want to start an Amazon FBA business. It's, compared to a physical brick and mortar where they're only open from certain hours during the day, and if they're not open, they're not making any sales. Okay, now that we understand that we want time freedom and financial freedom and a business that can sell any time of the day, is we're gonna break it down exactly which one to start with. So product research is the number one aspect that what the business needs, right? And in order to shortcut this, there's a couple things that I want to give you guys the solution to this problem, because product research itself is very time consuming. So just takes a lot of time. So when you're getting started, you're going to spend a lot of time in terms of the product research phase, right? Then after you do product research, find the product, you're going to go ahead and buy. Then the best part is selling the products, because this is where you can actually start to make some money. All right, so just put money here. And this is the fun part that everyone loves, because who doesn't love making money, right? And you kind of circle everything back and repeat the process. You can, reinvest the money back to the product research, or you can use it to allocate capital. But since you have a full-time job, and put that there, full-time income, right? Since you have a full-time income and doing Amazon FBA, you don't necessarily need Amazon FBA to make you, the full income that could provide for you, right? You're relying on the full, your job here to kind of pay for your bills and stuff like you normally do. So again, you can either reinvest that money back to product research to kind of grow your cash flow. That's what I did. Or you can, set that money aside, whatever you want to do, a down payment for a house or whatever you'd like, and kind of start this separately, right? But the best way to do it is to put money back in the business, as everyone would say is the smartest choice, because that's how you can turn the flywheel a lot faster. For me, I started about with 15,000 all in all, with credit cards, with the money I saved up. Of course, the more money you have saved up, the better. If I was going to start over again, I would save up maybe close to like 30,000. I would just be patient on that. If between 20 and 30,000 is a good start to have enough capital to kind of just see results immediately. I'm talking about like a couple of months. And because I had to kind of work my way up, since I didn't have much capital, it took a lot of reinvesting back and forth till I was able to completely do it full time, where I felt like, all right, I'm getting enough sales, I have enough capital to kind of full into this. But if you have a good amount of capital, between 20 to 30K, you can pretty much jump into it if you like after a few months, all right? So as we had talked about, product research simply just takes up a lot of time, right? Forgive my arrow here, I'm using my laptop. Is we want to take ourselves out of the equation, especially if we have a full-time job. The biggest issue that you're going to have is finding the time to do the product research, buying, selling, all that stuff, right? So in order to solve this, from what I've learned and doing it to my business to solve this pain point, is to hire a virtual assistant, right? A virtual assistant is basically like an employee overseas. So you're going to want to hire a virtual assistant to solve the time issue for you, because again, product research just simply takes a lot of time. If you were going to do it yourself, it's basically going to look like a bunch of squiggly lines iteration till you find the right product that you could potentially sell, right? So you're going to have to go through all these hoops, try and look every single product manually or softwares and all that stuff. And who knows, you're starting the skill from scratch. That's why it's a lot of effort and time in the beginning to push the wheel down in order to build momentum. But if you hire a virtual assistant that is already trained, they have tons of training available from the website where you can hire them, and they're pretty much ready to go, almost like a plug and play. Of course, you can instruct them and tell them what products to source, what brands to source, and all that stuff. But all in all, they are going to be knowledgeable right from the get-go. They're pretty much going to be plug and play, because Amazon FBA sourcer is a job that someone can train for already, if you didn't know. So that's what makes it easy. All you gotta do is find the right person, key personnel to help that for you. Then the next part is you're gonna be buying the product. So ideally, they're gonna find leads for you every single day. So when you wake up, you log into your computer. You could be anywhere in the world as long as you have a laptop computer. I used to do it when I was working my job. Don't tell my previous employer. But now I get to travel. I get to be anywhere. Most likely I can chill here in my office and just gonna work, right? Like, have control of my own time. That's the biggest thing, and making money. So when I wake up, the VAs usually have tons of leads for me to purchase, and it makes your life easier. So if you have a full-time income, full-time job, I would say, you can either do this after work or on the weekends, anytime that you have time off, because you have more free time, right? You're using your money to invest into a virtual assistant that will do the hard work for you beforehand, all right? So next, once you buy the product, the second issue in terms of this is it takes up time and energy as well, because previously, once you buy the product, you're going to ship it to your home or your warehouse, right? Or wherever you decide the product to go. Then this goes to Amazon FBA warehouse. This is basically the step. So you buy the product, you prep it, ship it, stickering, all that stuff. Then you send it to Amazon's warehouse, and then this is how you can sell the product. It goes from Amazon's warehouse, then is be ready to sell on Amazon.com. So that's basically the step. And again, you guys might be able to see what's going on here. The biggest issue here is this right here, home warehouse. This takes up a lot of time, just like product research. This is going to be issue here, right? Because if you have a full-time job, you're not gonna have enough time to do this. Now looking back at it, I would use what they call a prep center, right? So this is what you would want, a prep center. This is the term in Amazon. Basically, they're a third-party company that handles all the shipping logistic for you instead of you doing everything one by one. So it'll make your job and your life a lot simpler. You won't have as much mess, you know, in the house. I was in a studio apartment and my bed here, and there's like tons of products everywhere, right? When I was getting started. But now if I was going to do it, I would take the leads from my virtual assistant. I would buy those products, send it to a prep center, right? So let's put the line there. And I would basically just bypass sending it to my home, because the prep center is going to be prepping your products, and you could be, again, doing anywhere. The whole idea here is to give you a lifestyle business where you can just work with a laptop and a computer, and you can run it anywhere, right? And you're not working in the business, you're working out of the business. And that's the ideal part that took me years to understand, because I wanted to do everything. But why? Why would you want to do everything if you can simplify it and do the things that you can want to do versus kind of just doing the manual labor? Especially with prepping products, it's such a low ROI that someone with a minimum job that could easily do it, or probably better than you, less stress for you. You still have to schedule with UPS or FedEx to pick up the packages and all that stuff. Why, you know? So having to remove the bottlenecks of product research, buying the product, which is time, VA and prep center is going to be the two solutions. And even you can have your VA buy the product for you, right? You can train them how to buy the product. They can send it and sync it to the prep center. So these go pretty much hand in hand. The VA is really a key part here that takes off tons of load. And by the way, guys, if you're thinking about a VA, it's not expensive as you might think. I pay my VA between, $500 to $800 because, I have 4 of them, depending on their skill. But that's a ton of money where I'm hiring from the Philippines. They speak English. They're a hard worker. They communicate very well. We do video calls, Discord calls to kind of chat. Yeah, that's a lot of money down there. Like, you'd be surprised, it's a good life there, more than a doctor, some doctors would say, or architects. And they get to work like you as well on the computer, because they don't want to do the commute and all that stuff. So yeah, this is the overall picture of what the Amazon FBA looks like on a nutshell. You want to have the freedom, being able to make money 24/7 with Amazon.com platform, and having your business run easily. And this is exactly how I would do it. So your advantage is having a full-time income, because you already have that to, run your day-to-day. Then you take some of that money or capital that you've saved up, invest on a prep center to work with, and a virtual assistant to save you tons of time. And you get to run a stress-free Amazon FBA business, because you're just working off the computer. You're not doing anything pretty much, labor intensive and stuff like that. And I want to share this photo here. Is when I was taking business class flight to Asia back to the Philippines, and I took my family with me. There were 4 of us in total in business class. Completely amazing. I wouldn't be able to do that with my regular job. And the ideal lifestyle of working on the beach or however you want. You might just want to have a nice routine where you get to walk your dog, spend time with your family, and however it may be. Just wanted to paint that picture there. So what I actually did is to give a more detailed information about the roadmap here. You can click on the link down below. It's basically like a starter pack that gives you a brief overview of the steps, what you need. And you can, again, the link is down below. And if any questions, please comment as well. Let me know, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.